General Report Options. When you export a report to multiple formats, you have the option to include the report header with company logo and footer with company name, making it easier to create and share your professional, branded reports. General Report Options is a global setting you set up once and it will automatically apply to all of your reports. To set up the General Report Options, under the File tab, go to Options, Reports, General Reporting Options, and tick the second option for Include Report Headers when exporting to Excel. By default, this is not enabled, so that the information exported to Excel is formatted in a way that is easy to access and manipulate. By including the headers and footers, the information is made more presentable for tenders and presentation. You also have the option to replace zero values with your own text. For example, you may wish to use a dash or blank space. You can have up to 15 characters. Intentionally replacing zero values with text does not apply to XLS and XLSX exports, as users typically intend to make further modifications in these formats. XLS and XLSX exports show the true value of the report, including zero. Fill in your company name and select a logo image. While there is no set image size limit or dimensions, we highly recommend files smaller than 15 megabytes and dimensions smaller than 11,000 by 6,000 pixels at 600 dpi. Then press OK. With your company logo or image uploaded, you can print or export all reports to Excel with your company logo shown in the top left of the page. The report options apply to all reports except CSV and text exports, as these formats do not allow for images. For example, when you create a project summary report, you will see your logo appear in the top left corner, and the company name appear in the bottom right. To replace zero values with your custom text, you will need to click on the Change button and go to the Formatting Options window inside the report. At the bottom of the General Report Options, select the boxes you wish to apply your replacing zero options to. You may wish to replace zero values for only one or all of the options. Click Apply. You will immediately see that the zero values have been substituted with your customized text. Then, if you have your report options box ticked to include headers, when you export to an XLS or XLSX file, you will see your logo and company name on the Excel reports. This will also work when you export to PDF, HTML, MHT, RTF, DocX, and image files. You will not see this feature for exports to CSV or text files, as these formats do not allow for images. Remember, XLS and XLSX exports do not replace zero values with your own text, as they show the true value of the report. The export options work independently of each other, so you can still include headers in Excel and replace zero on any other report. And that's an introduction to the General Report Options. For more information, see the knowledge base article linked below this video. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us on our 24/7 support number or via email. We're happy to help you with ways to improve your workflows and efficiency, and to help make your estimating faster and more accurate.